To pay bills with a credit card, you can do so in person, online, or over the phone, provided the merchant accepts credit cards as a payment option. The process is relatively straightforward. In person, simply present your card to the agent at the billing counter, who will then swipe your card and ask you to enter your 4-digit PIN to complete the payment. Online, go to the payment portal, select the credit card option, and provide the required details, including your card number and expiry date. You will then receive a one-time password on your linked phone number or email, which you will need to enter to complete the transaction. If paying over the phone, provide the requested credit card and personal information to the customer representative and follow their instructions to finalize the payment. By following these steps, you can easily pay your bills using a credit card.